Alright guys, welcome back to Kuroji Gaming. In the last video, all I had was it sanded down. I primered it, and then I wet sanded it, and then I took one of those tack cloths to it, wiped it down, and then I put 3 coats of base coat. And then I waited about, I don't know, about 10 minutes between each coat. It's pretty hot outside, so it dried pretty quick. I then put 3 coats of clear. I waited about an hour before I did that because it's pretty hot outside, so it baked pretty quick. And that's what it looks like now. It came out pretty good. It didn't come out perfect, but it is what it is. I did what I could with what I had. I didn't use my spray gun, so that's probably another reason why it didn't come out as good, but it came out okay. All I used was spray cans for the primer, the base, and the clear coat. But there is a shine to it. If I want more of a shine, I'll probably buff it, and then it'll be really nice. But like I said, the owner just wanted to paint it so he could sell it, so there's no point in buffing it. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. If they want to do that, then they can do that. But yeah, it came out pretty good. No complaints here. I got the grill that I'm gonna install, all the lights, that little, I still gotta paint that, I forgot. But no big deal. I still got paint left over and some clear. And then I got the fog lights and stuff like that, so. I'll probably make another video once it's all installed and show you guys what I've done. All right, if you like, subscribe, please. And I'll keep making videos like these. I just work out of my garage, do what I can with what I got, and it usually comes out pretty good. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. Yeah, please subscribe.